I'm Carol Wyman with Outdoor Coffee Shop, and we are live at Pool Spa Patio and Decking Show at the Las Vegas Convention Center. And I'm joined today by a client of all the coffee shops, Paul Watts from Watts Removal. Can you share a little bit about yourself?
Again, my name is Paul Watts. I own Watts Removal Products. Our products are geared towards certain verticals within the cleaning industry. So we manufacture, design, and distribute industry-specific cleaning products. Okay. So let's say for metal, if there's overspray on metal, we can design a product that will remove the overspray from like a painter painting a gutter.
Oh yeah.
We can remove the overspray without damaging the paint.
Okay.
So we can remove paint on paint.
Wow.
Which is crazy, right?
Yeah.
So it's not magic, it's just chemistry.
Okay.
So we so different verticals. So the metal industry, the pool industry, the concrete industry, the masonry guys, things like that. We have products that are designed specifically for that. Yeah,
wow.
And the products that we make are made in California. So if you make a product in California, you can sell it anywhere, right? It meets all VOC compliances, biodegradability, non-toxic, and VOC compliant.
Right, that sounds great because it's environmentally friendly.
And it works.
Yes, exactly.
Sometimes you run that sentence together and it's like, we're getting over water.
Yeah, so how long have you been doing this?
So I own two companies. I own a company in Portland, Oregon, where I'm from. Grew up, called Graffiti Removal Services in Portland, Oregon.
Nice.
Yeah, we need it up there.
Yeah.
And then I own Watts Removal Products out of Portland also. So I've owned the graffiti side of it for like 18 years.
Okay.
But the Watts side of it, I've owned for maybe 10. Something like that. So a little less, but it's been a great collaboration between other industries and other verticals of how we can help not only the homeowner, the contractor, the designer, the architect, I mean everybody down the chain, everybody, right? Yeah.
I think that's wonderful. Do you have a product that you'd like to share with us today?
So I do, thank you. So because of Outdoor Coffee Shop and because what we're doing, we decided to launch this brand new revolutionary product through Outdoor Coffee Shop.
We're so honored.
And it's gonna, oh yeah.
We are.
It's gonna spread like. So we have a product that addresses the. I'm sorry, I'm not a pool guy, which I am. I have a hot tub, but I don't know what all the terminology is. The scum line around the pool. It's a yellow. It's on tile. It's on brick.
Yeah.
It's on whatever, right?
Yeah.
Or the pool sat there for a while, and it's made them dingy.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So we have a product that you can literally put on the product on a towel, and you can wipe that scum line off without buffing it, without a very, very strong acid, to clean it. We can even clean the scum line off the bottom of a boat within minutes when it would take somebody hours.
Wow.
And I know everybody's saying BS, you can't do that, right? But again, it's chemistry, right? It's not magic. And there is, tips and tricks to application process and everything else. But this new product that's out that we developed over voice to customer, because we're always listening to our customers, is a buffered acid. And not a lot of people have heard of a buffered acid. They've heard of an acid, muriatic acid, or some of these other acids that are really toxic and nauseous and everything else.
Right.
Ours is a buffered acid. And I brought a sample today. It's a little blue.
Of course you did.
It's a pretty blue.
It is a very pretty blue.
I tinted it blue because I wanted people to distinguish between water and the acid.
That's right.
I mean, you have it in a bucket, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference because there's no smell.
Wow, that's right. Do you need to drain your pool then to be able to use this as
it's
an application?
100% water soluble.
Okay.
But when you're cleaning, you're probably going to drain your pool anyways.
Right.
But it's 100% water soluble. So if it goes into the pool, it's not going to hurt anything.
Right.
But what it's buffered against is you and me.
Okay.
Okay. And the blue will go away because it's a dye. It works within water and UV. Yeah. But it's not going to hurt the dog. It's not going to hurt the cat. It's not going to hurt it's not going to hurt any landscape, anything organic.
That's fantastic because I know it takes 17 seconds for anything on your hands, including Clorox, to enter your bloodstream.
Right.
It's tough.
Now look, I'm going to say,
fun facts.
Wear your PPEs,
sure,
wear your goggles,
always.
Wear your glasses. You can be allergic to anything, but inevitably you're going to get it on you.
Right. I'd high five you, but now I'm worried.
Nah, you can high five me. So this revolutionary product has no smell.
No.
Okay.
There's no smell.
The pH is probably around 3.5 or 4. Okay. But it's 100% water soluble. So guess what happens to it when you add water to it? Too much water? it's gone.
Right.
Right? Not gone, but it dilutes it and everything. There'll be some chemists out there that will say I'm saying it wrong, but this is what happens
Right.
when we apply it.
Wow.
Also this, when we're removing the scum line, it's organic, but there's minerals in the water, right?
Sure.
That's why they have deionized water.
That's right.
Right? The deionized water takes all the hard minerals out of it so it doesn't leave water spots for the soft wash industry.
Right. Or ruin all the piping.
Yes.
Yes.
So we're going to do a very extreme test.
Okay.
Okay?
Here we go.
So this is a panel. I have a rust garden in Portland, Oregon. I actually live in Oregon City, not in Portland.
Okay.
So yeah, just put that out there. I love Portland, don't get me wrong.
Yes.
But this is a panel that I've been rusting in Portland for months.
Okay.
It doesn't take long to create rust.
Right.
But this is a rust stain. Like all this is kind of staining. You'll see like little bits, the little darker bits is the actual rust.
Okay.
So it's like a fungus, right?
Right. It grows.
Our dinger does not kill rust.
Okay.
It removes the rust stain.
Okay.
Okay, which will help you paint prep,
100%.
and it will not damage paint, like latex paint.
Yeah.
We've taken gutters that go up next to a house and the gutter's dripping on the latex paint. The paint's 50 years old.
Right.
It will not damage the paint, but I can take off the rust.
Amazing. That's great.
It's crazy, right? We were going to have for a couple years.
There's a lot of applications for this. I'll
huge
tell you.
amount of
my
applications.
gosh. I just think of my garage door, even at the bottom.
Yeah, there's rust on the concrete.
Yeah.
Concrete, guys.
Yes.
This does not etch concrete.
Okay.
Muriatic will etch concrete.
Wow.
It'll clean concrete.
Yeah.
But it won't etch it.
What about stamped concrete? Like, what could it ruin? Like, because there's like designs in there and everything.
Nope.
Okay.
It won't do anything. It doesn't melt anything. It only reacts with minerals.
Okay.
And the minerals in the water, in the boat, and in the pool. I mean, that's why it's working, right? It's just not organic. It's just not a tree.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Pour it on a tree, it's not going to do anything.
Right.
It's still going to live.
Okay.
But with this, you can literally, if you're cleaning a pool or a hot tub or concrete, you put it in pump sprayer.
Yeah.
Or we're coming out with a different application that I think is going to work. I've been testing it. We're going to foam it.
Oh, that is awesome.
And we're going to blue foam it.
Oh, if it's the same color. I like that color.
Dude, we're blue foaming it.
That is amazing.
And we'll blue foam it on, and it'll dwell longer, right? It has the viscosity of water.
Right.
It's just going to run off a vertical surface, right?
Right.
Let's get it to stick a little bit.
Yeah.
So I've been playing with that a little bit.
This is still effective, but if
it's still effective.
Right.
We don't want any harsh steel wool or wire brushes or anything like that to ruin anything. Our company is about non-damaging. Don't damage the surface you're working on. What's the point of cleaning it if you're damaging it?
Right.
Right? Yes. So we'll do a little test. Dinger.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is the rust. This is pick a good
Live
spot.
Demo.
Just pick a spot over here.
Right here.
So we'll put dinger on. Like about this. And within seconds, what you'll start seeing, if I tip it, it's going to fall, but you'll see the rust start to disappear.
You can. I'm a witness.
And the longer you leave it on, the better. It's just going to take that rust and it's going to make it disappear. So then you can take a cloth or a rag and you can wipe it off. Remember, it's water. It's not water neutral, it's water soluble.
Yep. Do you have your thing down there? Is that the? Do you want the rag?
Yeah.
I'm going to get the rag for you.
Okay, get the rag. Sorry, my bad.
No, this is a live demo, so we have to.
It's a live. Oh yeah, it's a live demo.
Here we go.
These guys should be seeing this. So it'll go in after the rust. Mm-hmm. It'll take it. No scrubbing. No steel wool. No wire brush. But then I could probably circular it around, if that's a word. Take it on there, and then I can probably literally just kind of pour it off my rag. Onto the carpet. It's not going to hurt the carpet.
No,
don't worry, people.
it's organic,
okay.
Right?
But see how it's removing the rust stain in there, and then you can take it.
Oh, wow.
And all this rust staining. Now you have real rust in there, right?
Yeah, but then you can address the real rust.
You can address the real rust.
Yeah,
but this is going to be really, really effective the longer it stays on there. That's why I think the foam would be really applicable, right?
100%.
It's going to take all that staining out of there. It's going to make less work for the contractors. Mm-hmm. It's going to make less work for cleaning up. So the scum line would be the same thing.
Yeah.
So I dare you to get me out on a pool that has a scum line that I can't remove.
Wow.
We can remove any mark on any surface as long as it's a mark, not a scratch or something else like that.
Sure.
Even if it's embedded in the tile, I bet you we can get it out.
That's incredible.
Okay, so see, it's sitting a little bit longer, and these spots here are becoming a little bit more lighter.
Yes,
yeah, they're a little bit lighter.
Oh, Yep, and when you wipe it,
and you wipe it, you can really wipe it, and and really tell how it's going to get. Like, so this is all just a stain,
right?
Right. There may be a little bit of rust, but whoop.
Yep,
But even with just that, see that?
It starts to remove already.
Yeah.
That's so great. How long did it take you to make this?
2 years.
2 years.
Almost 2.5 years.
Wow.
Because it was, the components are out there, right?
Right.
And you just have to have the right recipe, like the right cocktail.
Yeah. Right. You were talking about the cocktail.
Yeah, the right cocktail.
I thought he was talking about a different cocktail,
I know. Well, I wanted to. Yeah.
I know.
This is the right cocktail.
Yeah, that's
because
awesome.
it's safe for everybody.
Yeah.
Now, if you have a ring on, right, and your ring is patinaed, we call it something else.
Right.
But if you have a ring on, it's going to take off the patina. It's metal.
Right.
Right. This is an acid. Metal, acid, copper.
Yeah.
Don't get them next to each other.
Reaction.
Still an acid,
Yeah.
but it takes on the same pH as this.
Okay. That's.
And then you can take your towel, and look how clean that's going to get.
That is great. You know what I like? He's having fun with this. So if everyone can love what they're doing, it's just so fun to see that.
I mean, you're solving problems, right?
Yeah,
absolutely. It's been a pain.
Right.
People use muriatic, or they use, and you take those caps off sometimes. You see that the vapors come out of that thing. I don't even let my guys use it. Important.
Yeah.
But this is safer for the environment, safer for my employees, safer for the DIYer that's going to clean the pool, right?
Yeah.
And they're not going to have some issues because they're going to put on something that they shouldn't have, right?
Right.
But they're not going to etch the concrete or etch the glass. Or something else, right? So just we're come up with one-sheeters, and we'll tell everybody how it works. We'll create QR codes.
Wow.
But we can clean it. If it's just a mark or a stain, we can clean it. So don't think we can't. I dare you to send me something that we can't clean.
Wow. Well, you heard it first here on Outdoor Coffee Shop, and I want to thank you, Paul.
Thank you for having me over here. Yeah, this is awesome.
Super.
And we have other stuff out there for Outdoor Coffee Shop that we'll discuss later.
Yes.
That'll blow you away.
Well, you'll have to check in more on OutdoorCoffeeShop.com, and you can see everything.
We'll do something outside someday.
Oh my gosh, that'll be so fun.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
I invite that. That's wonderful.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for being on the show.
Thank you. Yeah.
All right, take care. Thank you.
Thank you.